Right, we've been down the fields and I've collected some good long nettle branches. Now I'm going to show you how to make some cordage. So this is the first stage. I'll show you the next stage. The next stage is you flatten, you bash. This is how I do it anyway, there's other ways of doing it. But you bash the you do this to crack the pith inside. And it gets your own back on nettles as well. Right, what you do when you've hammered it, you're better with the green ones we've worked out because they're a bit fresher. You break the pith inside and you try and tease the skin away like that. And what you want is this skin on the outside. There's your cordage. That's what you make your cordage out of, those. And it's better to dry them for at least a day before you start using them, but I don't. But you're supposed to. Can you see? You just break the pith away and peel off the skin, and then you get your cordage, and then you dry that, as I said, for at least a day to make your cordage. Right, once you've got your it's actually the skin of the nettle, you start twisting like this. Like I said, it is better when you've dried it, but I can't be bothered waiting, because it will shrink, you see, but you keep twisting and eventually it twists on itself like that. Once it's twisted on itself, you then keep twisting that round, keep going, then go over and then twist and over, twist and over, twist and over, and you see it's starting to make cordage, and it won't unravel. So I'm going to carry on doing that now and see where I come to. There you go, that's cordage. And then what you do is, as you start running out, you start adding more and more of all these fibres here. Just keep adding more fibres in, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute, but that's it, that's the start of it. Right, when you get to the end of the piece of nettle skin, you get the next one and you put it over that one, and then you twist it into the new one, and then just carry on. But by overlapping it, you're basically weaving it into the fibre of the thing, but now you've got two long ones again, and that's how you just keep adding new fibres in. Right, that's the finished cordage now, and it won't unravel because it's all been twisted the same way, so it's twisted on itself. Now if you want to make it twice as thick, you start again twisting it, make a loop, and then do exactly the same again. Twist over, twist over, twist over, and then you can make twice as thick cordage, and then you can make bracelets or anything you want. Interesting fact.